And the trail also will have some shadows from the trees. For that, I'm going horizontally, remembering it's not going to be a smooth surface. It's a little bit rough, and there'll be rocks or some kind of texture to suggest the roughness of it. And you can come back in and make it a little bit deeper and darker, closer to that edge. And even bring some of that color into the shadows of the green. It's nice if you can try to carry through the colors of one part into some of the other sections. And your darkest spots are going to be the shadows, especially at the closest part of where the shadow's being cast. So right next to the tree, the shadow's going to be darkest, and then as it gets further away from the tree, it'll lighten up bit by bit. If you go out and look, you can probably see that in whatever shadows that trees or other things cast.